up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the girl Sahan back with another video. So if you read the title, yes, he smashed my shit. So I went ahead to Ulta and I got me some new makeup. Of course he paid for it, not me, because if he was gonna smash it, he paid for it. And basically I'm gonna show y'all what he broke and what I bought. I did buy more than what he did break because I did need some new stuff. So this kind of pushed me to go get my makeup that I always needed. So let me just show y'all what I got. So of course we're going through COVID and I had to buy 2 shades of foundation just to see which one matched me. And honestly, all the products I just bought, I did try it on myself, so I have a full face of all the product I just bought. And this is like literally how the Estee Lauder foundation comes out. Like, I love this stuff. My face is so smooth. What's it called? So I bought 3-in-1, which is ivory beige, and then 2W2. I don't know how to pronounce this. It's rattan, I don't know, but whatever. But the one that actually matched me was 2W2, and we're gonna go return this one because I didn't even use it. But they're probably still gonna throw it away because I used to work at Ulta, and if you return anything, everything gets thrown away, which is pretty sad because I don't want to waste this foundation. But anyways, on to the next products. I bought the Too Faced Born This Way in the color nude. Honestly, in Nashville, the only place that has MAC foundation, actually no, backtrack. So he smashed 2 of my MAC powders, and y'all, I love MAC, but I'm not gonna drive to Bellevue or Green Hills unless I really need to. So I'll get that later. I'm not really worried about it. But I did buy the Too Faced Born This Way powder in the color nude. So this was my second option. Here's the one that I mean, it's not really smashed, but I don't like whenever makeup has like the metal part showing. So this is just gonna be, I guess, gonna be used, just not in my daily makeup bag. Oh no, this is gonna be used, just not in my daily makeup bag. Wait, does that sound right? This is not gonna be used, but I'm gonna leave it. Hold on.
This is not gonna be used?
No, hold on.
Say I'm not gonna use it. It's just gonna be in my daily makeup bag.
No, I'm supposed to say it's not gonna be in my daily makeup bag. This is still gonna be used, but I'm not gonna put it in my daily makeup bag that I always carry. Ooh. Bitch, you know what I'm gonna say?
What?
Look, I was supposed to get some highlighter, but I have a brand new like Ofra highlighter, so I'm gonna act like I bought it, and I'm just gonna be like, well, I kind of ripped up the package of it, so whatever.
Bitch, how many Ofras do you have? Give me one.
This is the only one I have left. The other one got smashed.
Oh.
Okay.
My boyfriend's like, let me go. I'm gay.
So, y'all, the next product I purchased was the ULTA bronzer. And this one was the one that's broke. It's basically all powder. I can fix makeup back to the way it was. But I'm gonna leave that for the next video, just to show y'all how to, like, if you cracked your makeup or whatever happened with your makeup, you can like kind of restore it. So I'm gonna show y'all that in the next video. I just went ahead and bought a new one just for the sake of this video and just because I don't feel like fixing it right now. So I'm gonna just put that in my drawer. And then I bought 2 of these Better Than Sex liquid eyeliners. These didn't break, or well, yeah, he didn't break these, but I just bought some. This is just some extras that I really wanted because I love this eyeliner, y'all. This eyeliner is bomb as fuck. Honestly, $30 is worth it to invest in these eyeliners, y'all. I swear to God, like this lasted me for at least like half a year. So this is a year's supply of it.